everybody. My name is Denise Tan together with Chicky Pablo. And Chicky, the question today is, the challenge lives on for these two teams. Will the streak end or will it continue? Of course, for Signal, kung tutuloy-tuloy ang kanilang panalo, at para sa RC Cola, kung mabibreak naman nila ang kanilang mga pagkatalo.
Alam mo, previous conference, ang Signal, sila yung last in the standings. But now, I think the locals have discovered that they could actually be more than what they thought they could only be.
As you said, Chicky, number one ang Signal HD, and they have yet to taste a loss. And that is because of the clear display of dominance na ipinapakita dito ni Ariel Usher. And of course, nakatulong din dyan si Amanda Anderson. Gano'n nga ba kalaki ang ibinigay nila para dito sa Signal HD?
Alam mo, talagang napakalaki ng ginawa ng dalawang imports na to, always in double digits. But ang sabi nga ni Ariel Usher, this team, Signal, is crazy close. And the coaches, they're so strategic that they're one of the best coaches that she's ever had. And Amanda Anderson seconded that.
So we're just getting ready. April Rose Hingbit will be the one to serve for the HD Spikers.
Ito, killer service din to galing kay Hingbit.
RC
Cola needs that good first ball for Di Maculangan to set up a play.
Maculangan goes to the open hip, block, and open wide for Sarah McClinton and the Raiders.
The blockers were there, but the hit of McClinton was just too powerful for that. Look at this replay. She goes up for that hit. Hindi rin kasi ganun katangkad ang mga blockers ng Signal that went up to stop her ball.
Maculangan targets. But that was an ace.
Ngayon naman, ang kailangan na magkaroon ng good first ball is Signal. Pero the good thing about Signal, hindi daw sila nare-rattle. Kung minsan nga daw, the game is ongoing, hindi nila alam, tapos na pala. Kasi nag-e-enjoy sila sa court. And that's very good kasi although now, I think RC Cola is enjoying their game. They're having fun, they're noisy in the court, and that's why they seem to be more comfortable, di ba?
So again, would like to welcome you all here at TV5. You are watching the Philippine Superliga Grand Prix. It's RC Cola Raiders against Signal HD Spikers.
That was a smart move there by Usher. Hindi niya ginamit yung powerful hand niya. Instead, made a dink. Look at this. She goes up, tapos dinks it over. Nakababa na yung mga blockers. Hindi na na-stop yung bola niya.
Big Laporte. Getting ready to serve. Targets Caballero, Di Maculangan, go back to Ortiz. Ball was blocked, but hits the antenna. And a score for RC Cola.
Alam mo ang sabi ni Micah Ortiz kanina when I talked to her, yung team kasi nila very quiet because of the personalities of the different players. Kaya ngayon daw, magko-conscious effort sila to be noisy in the court gaya nung imports. Kasi hindi naman daw pwedeng imports na mag-ingay.
Well, at that time, mas maingay with the HD Spikers because of that back quick hit from Amanda Anderson. Let's see that again.
Nicely done. Isa lang yung blocker ni Amanda at that time.
Maculangan goes to Linda Morales. That was too low, or too high rather. Recovered, Di Maculangan. Yonko will set, goes back to McClinton, and goes for the down the line hit.
Usually, mahirap talaga kunin ang down the line, lalo na yung zone 1, di ba? And Usher was just a little bit late for that ball.
Serving out from the USA,
Sarah McClinton serves and doesn't go over the net.
Service error there from McClinton.
and the serve for
Ito si Sarah McClinton, she started her volleyball when she was in the 3rd grade. She was actually a soccer player before getting into volleyball.
May Vivas goes to Yonko. Di Maculangan goes back to the captain. Caballero hits. Set up by Usher. Easy ball over. Di Maculangan goes to the quick play. Linda Morales hits it and kills it.
You know, when you have a good first ball, ang dali-daling mag-set para kay Di Maculangan sa middle. And that's exactly what happened. Look at this. There goes the beautiful set. Perfect height and distance from the net.
number 4, Dia
defensive service errors there from RC Cola. Kailangan bumawi sila agad.
And serving now for the HD Spikers on the USA, Amanda Anderson.
And Anderson again targets Yarionko. They go back to the running play and another point for Linda Morales.
Si Linda Morales kasi is taking advantage of the fact that walang import sa harap ngayon. So, mahihirapan ang ating locals to block her hits because she's so much taller than the blockers.
From Linda Morales.
Itong si Linda Morales, she started playing volleyball when she was 15. So, medyo late na, di ba? Pero ano daw kasi siya mabilis mag-conform to a sport. Mabilis matuto. Her first sport was basketball.
So very athletic naman pala talaga.
Number 13.
So Gallinero.
Gallinero.
That was a good serve from Gallinero. Janela picks it up. Higbit goes back to the open hit. Usher. Backline attack from Linda Morales. I thought that was going to go out. Higbit again goes back to Usher. Soft hit. Dug up. See if that's going to be an easy over for Signal. Violation called on Higbit. And that will bring us to our first technical timeout. RC Cola 8, Signal HD Spikers 5. And welcome back. You're still watching the Philippine Superliga Grand Prix. And again, Signal HD Spikers naiiwan dito with a score of 5 at ang RC Cola naman lumalamang ng 3-8 to 5 ang score natin. And why do you think that is, Chiki?
Na lumalamang ang RC Cola ngayon. Kasi ano sila very active in the court. Masaya silang naglalaro ngayon. Parang no stress, no pressure. And they're really exerting effort, the locals, really exerting effort to support their imports by means of encouragement. Tsaka pa na rin sa paglaro nila.
Well, of course, we have to mention na ang pinaka-driver nga dito ng team ng RC Cola is Linda Morales. Last game against Philips Gold, naka-27 points siya. That's off 21 attacks. And Sarah McClinton, of course, helping her with 16 points. And that is off 13 attacks.
Big numbers for their imports.
Janela will set it up. Usher, soft hit. And no one was there. Linda Morales, too late to get that ball.
You know, gaya nga nang nasabi mo, that was a soft hit. And yet, when it went over to the court of the RC Raiders, walang tao there. Walang kumuha ng bola.
Higbit. Targets Caballero. Di makulangan. Go to the outside. Dug up by Janela. Inagaw ni Vic Laborde, but it's still effective. Yeah.
You know, that was like a hook shot there by Mick Laborde. But yun nga yung forte ni Mick.
Yes.
Hindi malakas yung mga palo niya, pero strategic yung mga hulog niya.
Pwesto-pwesto.
Pwesto-pwesto.
Well, that's 5 straight points, or 3 straight points rather, for Signal off that first technical timeout. And Higbit, once again, goes back to Caballero. So no choice but give it back to McClinton. Umay not getting that over.
Medyo, ano lang yun, I think the arm swing of Mumay was just a little bit low. That's why the ball hit the net.
Moving for RC Cola Air Force Raiders, center, Ray Maculangan.
Si Ray Maculangan also, pag-serve nito, deadly rin Gaya nun.
And as you say that, she gets a point off that service is a little off from the net, but you know, a point is a point.
Correct. Siguro yung puso ni Di Maculangan, ano? Sino na pumasok yun, sabi niya.
How important is it that the setter is a good server also?
Well, kasi pag easy point for them, less effort for her to run to her place and then set up for a play. So at least point agad.
And also pala that, you know, you always have 3 spikers. You have
Right,
options.
in front.
So Higbit will go back to the outside. Usher kills it. National hit.
Si Usher talagang iniwasan niya yung bola niya You know why she's so good in volleyball? It's also because both her parents are volleyball players. In fact, they're coaches. Tandem sila. Head coach yung mom, tapos yung daddy yung assistant coach. Yeah. Jason, it's like this signal team, it's like having plenty of points. Hindi lang daw silang dalawa because even the locals now are contributing to their points when, especially when they win.
That's exactly what you want in your
Oo.
team. Kailangan goes back. Morales, but that's outside.
That was, ang ganda ng pagkalihis ng bola niya. Kaya lang, yun nga, it was just a bit wide.
Bigla Cortez still from the service line. Just a short ball. Morales picks that up. Di pa kailangan goes to the outside. McClinton block. And it goes out. Point for signal. Sorry, point for RC rather.
You know, the strategy of McClinton there was to make her ball go down the line kasi mas maliit yung blocker.
Over now for Arsenal, number 10, Micah Ortiz. And that's for the center. On goal to Signal.
Kailan na yan? If I'm not mistaken, is that the third?
No, that's, I think, fourth na yun or fifth. Oo. Kailangan tumayo na nga si Coach Roville because their
Over
services are
now,
not good.
Ariel Usher.
Kailangan. Goes to McClinton. Soft hit. Block. Chance for signal. Block again. Arcicola will get back to McClinton. And another block. This time. My Vivas.
May Vivas lone blocker pa yun, ha? Tingnan natin itong replay. There she goes. Perfect timing sa palo ni McClinton.
2 points. Over now from the USA, we have Ariel Usher.
Good serve there from Usher.
Coverage.
Another point goes to Signal.
Tsaka yung talon ni Linda Morales, I think, was a little bit too advanced. Kaya yung bumaba na yung bola. Oo, nauna siya sa talon niya.
Well, I just noticed they've been going to Caballero
The
all the
serving
time.
man, Ariel Usher.
Kailangan i-distribute pa ni Dimaculaan kasi mababasa na yun ang signal.
Chance for HD Spikers. Easy ball. Usher picks it up. King Pitt goes to the running play. Soft hit. And nice read. And Anderson.
Tinawan ko yung badminton. Nakikita ko lahat ng nangyayari sa opposite end. Ito, kaya nga, dinink lang niya yun because nakita niyo, walang katao-tao dun sa
Ariel Usher.
Usher again with that soft hit. Kulangan goes to Morales at
why not? Yeah. Ang ganda nung palo niya. Bumawi siya dun sa error niya kanina. Look at that replay. Goes up to that hit. Single blocker. You know, if Morales is hitting the ball, dapat siguro double blockers ka dyan. Napakalakas.
Hit to the outside. Soft hit. Effective for Signal HD. And that will bring us to our second technical timeout. Arcicolas 12, Signal 16. It's all about the defense for Signal HD Spikers right now. And you know, kanina narinig ko din dun sa timeout ni Coach Sammy, sinasabi niya na nauna na tayo, so wag na natin pabayaan to. We all know that itong Arcicola, hindi naman sila, even with their losses, hindi sila bumabagsak in 3 straight sets.
That's right.
That still goes out for Morales.
That went wide. Just a little bit. So, konting adjustment lang siguro ng shoulders niya.
What do you think that's happening though? Even though Linda Morales has to be, you know, a single blocker in front of her, bakit nag-outside pa rin yung kanyang balo?
I think, baka nanggigigil din siya. Hinalang gigil.
Services from Umay Vivas.
Arcicola.
Coach Bill calls a timeout.
Tapos spiker mo Ria, di ba? Pag yan, pag pinagharap-harap mo lang yan, yung blocker nilang foreigner, dyan lang naman, di gagalaw yan, tatalo na yan, dadalawa pa yan. Di ba? Pero kung yung kakaharap mo ba, binigay mo ng 5, wala na naman tao to. Di ba? Baloy mo na down the line, diskarte ka na lang. Pero kung gusto mo siya bigyan talaga, iparaning mo.
Maraming saka big quick.
Para gumalaw tong blocker nila, oh, hindi gumagalaw eh. Naka-stack lang ganun.
And sabi nga ni Coach Rofield, no, there are 3 blockers there ready for Linda Morales. So, if gusto niyang ibigay pa rin kay Linda Morales, kailangan magkaroon siya ng decoy. Come up with a play para humiwalay yung mga blockers. So, let's see kung bibigyan din si Linda Morales ng running. Let's see how that will be.
And still serving for Signal.
Last start with a good reception. That was dug in by McClinton. Punta siya kay Yari Yonko down the line. Nakuha ni Nala. An easy over coming from Usher. That wasn't so easy for Linda Morales. I actually thought that was going to be a chance for Arsicola.
Yeah, I thought so too. Kaya lang yung bola just landed in between Linda Morales and the net.
Another good serve. Easy ball, easy over.
The floor defense of the Arsicola Raiders has to be more active. Kailangan gumagalaw sila inside the court. Hindi pwedeng isang tao lang yung gumagalaw kasi kung gano'n ang mangyayari, masyadong madaming butas para paglaruan ng signal.
Mukhang naglalaro na nga lang ang Signal as they are up here 20-12.
And Caballero stops the leading of Arsicola. Yun nga, no? You can't really just heavily rely on your import Linda Morales. The locals have to step up.
Iya Yoko.
It's a good serve there from Iya Yonko.
See, by Big Di makulangan. Again, goes back, but that was, I think that was too high for Morales.
Yeah, it was a little bit too high, pero dahil sa matangkad siya, nagawa niya ng paraan. Eh, no?
Iya Yoko.
Yari Yonko finding a target.
Kung si,
Ariel Usher.
yes, I was just gonna say si Yari Yonko, whenever she plays, before a game, she watches a movie. And today, ang pinanood daw niya, Adventure.
And that's Sarah McKinley.
So, siguro ko, it's going to be a really good adventure for her.
Now by Signal HD Spikers.
Sammy not liking that one. 3 consecutive points from Arsicola. He calls for that.
Amanda, running short. This one is back row.
Okay.
Okay?
Follow ka agad Follow mo agad cross pag nahuli yung gitna.
Okay? And support. After fight, support. Then base fight, defense. Lead. You talk. Back row. Okay?
One stop! One door!
And Coach Sammy, we're gonna see a running hit from Amanda. And he also was reminding the team na dapat may coverage. If Arsicola gets a good hit, kailangan stop it right away, having good coverage.
And anything is defense talaga. Execute first.
For the Air Force Raiders. For Iya Yoko.
That is going to go outside.
You know, sa service zone, service part ng ng play na to for Arsicola, medyo problem sila doon, no? If either net yung bola o kaya it's too strong.
And you know what? They've made at least 5
Yeah.
service mistakes and they're down by 6 points. So hindi na dapat nagkalayo to if they were able to make all of their services.
That's right.
Go back to Usher, but not over.
I think Usher wasn't really prepared for that hit. Hindi siya nakapwesto ng tama eh. Kaya yung palo din niya off.
And the serve now for
There's
Arsicola.
something that's interesting about Usher also. All her life she was short.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Like how short?
Like really short. Sabi nga niya, all her life setter siya kasi nga maliit siya. Pero tumangkad siya when she was in junior high school. In 2 months, she grew 6 inches.
Wow!
Grabe, ano? Kaya magaling siya mag-set.
Okay, so it's not a problem even though the setter's not there. Pwedeng
Yeah.
maging setter si Ariel Usher.
Pwede.
Gallianero, good serve. Good steady serve from her, di makulangan. Back attack from Linda Morales, dug up by Gallianero, higpit. Goes to the outside and Usher And set point again.
Sure, lumusok yung bola niya in between two blockers. And the blockers were Micah Ortiz and Di Maculangan. The ball just went in between the blockers. Masyadong maluwag yung kanilang double block.
Maculangan outside, Caballejo. Down the line, but dug up, Hingpit. Goes back to Usher. Not over. You know, Chicky, what I noticed lang is even with that last hit, it did not go over the net.
Yeah.
But Usher was trying to go for a down the line hit, of course, with Di Maculangan in front of her.
Yes.
How do you adjust if you're Rhea Di Maculangan?
Alam mo, what you do if you're a smaller blocker, you just try to deflect it. Don't go too close to the net. Tapos yung kamay mo pataas para mag-deflect na lang yung bola sa mga kamay mo.
Well, it's another outside hit. Let's see if she can do that. But lucky break for RC Cola as that was mistimed by Ariel Usher. Now they're just 5 points away. RC Cola trying to catch up. Caballejo finding Janela, goes for the running hit, but
The set of Hingpit was just too far for Mikmik Laborte. Trinay naman habulin ni Mikmik, but hindi lang kinaya at that time.
Caballejo. Vivas, easy ball, a chance for RC Cola. But that was touched.
So finally, no, na-stop yung bleeding ng Signal. So now they're just 1 point away from winning the set. That was a good hit from Usher. Nakayanan ng libero ng RC Cola Balmaceda.
Hingpit again targets Caballejo. Goes to the outside, overset. And that's a point, easy point for Signal HD Spikers. And they will take set number 1, 25-19.